Hey guys! Today we will discuss if Romsfun is safe or not. Romsfun sounds like every retro gamer's fantasy. Thousands of classic games from consoles you grew up with, all available in one place. But the big question is, can you actually use it safely? Let's break it down. Romsfun is a website that offers downloadable ROM and ISO files for older gaming systems. You'll find titles from consoles like Game Boy, PlayStation, Nintendo systems, and even some newer platforms such as the PS3. The library is massive, over 15,000 games, and there's no account required. You simply search for a game, download the file, and run it on your computer using an emulator. On the surface, it seems simple and convenient. The site uses HTTPS encryption, meaning your connection is secured with an SSL certificate. That's a good sign because it protects data transferred between you and the website. User feedback generally suggests the files themselves aren't packed with malware. However, that doesn't mean everything is risk-free. One common complaint is aggressive pop-up advertising. Some of these ads can redirect you to questionable pages, which increases the risk if you click the wrong thing. Another factor to consider is the site's age. Since it only appeared in 2022, there isn't much long-term history to evaluate its reliability or stability. Beyond safety, there's the legal side. Most video games are protected by copyright law. Downloading ROMs without permission, even if you own a physical copy, may violate local laws depending on your country. Game publishers have taken legal action against similar websites in the past, so this is not something to ignore. If you still choose to use a site like this, take precautions. Install reliable antivirus software and scan every file before opening it. Enable browser settings that let you choose where files are saved. Use an ad blocker to reduce exposure to suspicious pop-ups. Research the copyright laws in your region. So, is Romsfun safe? It's not widely reported as a virus hub, but it's not completely risk-free either. The ads can be problematic, and the legal concerns are real. As always, proceed carefully and understand the risks involved. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more tech breakdowns. See you in the next video.